In this video, I'm going to show you how to get JetBrains student license. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to jetbrains.com, which is their official website, and then you want to go ahead and click on this button up in the top right, which is kind of your profile icon, and then you want to basically sign in or sign up, okay? And whenever you do that, you want to click on that button again, and it's going to put you over here inside your account, inside which you can see it's going to say no available licenses, and if you're doing this for the first time, you'll be able to see here, it's going to say apply for a free student or teacher license for educational purposes. So in case you do, of course, apply for this, you can just click on over here. And if you meet the qualifications to actually go through this, you'll be able to get your JetBrains student license. So here, it's going to take you to student pack. Just click on the request now over here, and it's going to get you, there we go, into this form. And here you can apply with a bunch of different things. You have 4 different options over here. Select the one that's relevant for you. You have university email address, you have the ICIC or IDIC membership, you have an official document, or you also have GitHub. Okay, so here, in case you have the GitHub student developer pack already, you can just authorize with GitHub and you will get it right away, or you can use any of these methods, of course, whichever one you want. So if you go to your university email address, you can just put here, I'm a student. You can set in your country and region and then level of study, and then here you can just go ahead and of course fill this out with your email address, with your edu email address, and then your personal email, name, referral code, etc. And after you do that, you can just go to the bottom and click on apply for free products, and you can do this within any of these depending on whichever one you select. And after you do that, then hopefully you'll be able to get your student license if your university is supported. So that's how to get it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.